Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the application of adsorption. In our previous video, we have discussed about the factor affecting the adsorption process. Today we are going to discuss the application of adsorption. Adsorption not only theoretical process, it is useful in so many industrial work, in housework as well as in laboratory work. Let us start step by step. The first application is catalysis. Friends, we know that the catalyst is a substance which cannot directly participate in the chemical reaction but which can alter the rate of reaction. Okay, and that substance is known as the catalyst. Then what is the actual function of this catalyst? The catalyst can provide the surface to the reactant molecule and force to that reactant to react with each other and to convert into the product. This is the actual condition of the catalysis. Now, what is the adsorption and relation of adsorption and catalysis or catalyst? Now friends, in chemistry we will be write down the number of times the chemical reaction, that is A plus B, which can give C plus D. Okay. Then A is a reactant in gaseous phase, B is a reactant in gaseous phase, which can convert into the product C and D. Of course, it may be also in gaseous phase, is like that. Okay, the gas can adsorb on the surface of the adsorbent material. Now, actually what will be happen? The first case is that adsorption of reactant molecule on the surface of catalyst. This is the A and this molecule is B. Okay, the A react with B, it is the adsorption, means the reactant molecule is stick up with each other. Then number 2, and how it can be stick up? The reactant molecule stick up by using the active side, by using the crack, and that active side attachment, it may be physical attachment, means due to the van der Waals force of attraction or due to the chemical bonding process, is also known as the chemisorption. Such a type of the attachment can be observed in between the surface of catalyst, in between the reactant surface. In second step, what will be happen? The activated complex can be formed. Means what happen? The A is react with B in this way, and this step is known as the activated complex. In this case, both the molecule try to close with each other. Then what will happen? In third step, those the reactant react with each other and to form the product. But the product is also attached with the surface of the adsorbent. And in last step, the product can separate from the surface of the catalyst. Now this is the process. Student, are you remember any one of the example regarding to this? Yes. Reduction of alkene. In this case, I am just write here example. Hydrogen gas, here platinum or palladium, which can be used as a catalyst and which can convert, the alkene can convert into the alkane with attachment of or involvement of one hydrogen atom. So friend, how it can be happen? This happen due to the same procedure, or this reaction can follow the same steps which we have discussed earlier. In first stage, this ethylene molecule attached to this platinum molecule. Hydrogen molecule is also attached to the platinum molecule or the surface of the platinum. Then the bonding between two hydrogen and bonding between this pi bond can be separate out, means distance can be increases. After that the hydrogen molecule can attack on the carbon atom, center of the carbon atom, and this bond is completely break. And after in fourth step the desorption can be take place, means what the product can recovered or separate out from the surface of the catalyst. So friend, this is very common example. And how the attachment can be take place, I will be show you by using a very simple example of the nickel. Nickel is also used sometime as a catalyst for the reduction process. This is the arrangement of catalyst Okay, now look toward the number of nickel molecule, number of bonding can be present in the given catalyst, and this site, this is known as the active site. This active site can expose for the adsorption process. Same thing, this is the crack. The crack is also useful for the attachment of the molecule, and the corner place. The corner place is also very active for the adsorption process. So friend, in the catalysis process generally platinum, palladium, nickel and some of the metals are used in the finally divided form, and that powder which can be used as a catalyst, and that catalyst which can provide the surface for both the reactant like alkene and hydrogen. And after following the 4 steps, the product will be removed, or that process is known as the desorption. Okay. Then what will be happen? The catalyst cannot be directly participate in the chemical reaction, but catalyst can provide the active site. What is the active site? Where is the active site? And how the active site can create? The active site is created like this. If single molecule or single atom of the metal is present, that is also active site. There is some gap between the atoms, that is also the active site for the attachment of reactant. And this is the corner side, this is also active side for the attachment of the reactant. So friend, this is the first application of adsorption. It is known as catalysis. I hope you understand this application. Now we will be proceed for the next application, and it is very important, that is the purification.